Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change voice speed on Windows 10 and Windows 11, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change voice speed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings. And then click on time and language. After that, in the left sidebar, click on speech. And then you see here voices, voice speed. You can adjust the speed here to decrease it and here to increase the speed. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change voice speed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.